Atlantic Packaging is an 80-year-old family-owned, privately held company in the packaging space. We are one of the largest family-owned companies in packaging today.
When the owners came to me and asked me to try to look for a piece of equipment that could do flexible packaging, I went ahead and started looking to see what was available, what manufacturers were there.
We felt that there was a need for someone in the printed film space that understood distribution, that had 25 distribution locations across the country, but that also had a sophisticated printing and graphics division that could successfully print on these films and then offer VMI programs, warehousing programs, stocking options. So that was really what drove us to look for the press in the first place.
During that time, we were in the midst of COVID, and I saw the obstacles that they had next door in the print shop, having equipment that was purchased from offshore and overseas, and watching them be down for weeks waiting for equipment to come in or parts. And so it meant a lot to me to try to find something made in the USA.
The Fusion C really caught our eye. I think it was mostly due to the compact nature of the press and the footprint. It fit really nicely into our plant, but at the same time gave us everything we needed from a manufacturing standpoint.
Through the whole process, BW Converting was great to work with. As the press was being built, they were great about keeping me updated and sending me pictures or setting up meetings and weekly or bi-weekly conference calls to go over everything as far as what our needs were, if we had any questions. So yeah, they were really great to work with.
Since installing this technology, it has opened our company into new markets. It's really reinvigorated our sales force. They have a whole new line of products now that they are able to go after and offer, and a lot of times in conjunction with other products that we are already offering, such as labels and folding cartons. So it's just been another feather we could put in our cap and something that our salespeople can offer to our customers. So it's been exciting growth and exciting advancing into new markets.
We were so happy with the first piece of equipment that we installed. Then when we decided to expand our capabilities back in the flexible packaging room, we decided to go after a second BW converting press, and that was the 59-inch Fusion that we installed here several months back.
The 59-inch press is special because it has a gravure outboard station where we can apply cold seal and heat seal adhesives or barrier coatings, and it opens us up yet into another market, something that we're very passionate about, which is sustainability. It allows us to take customers where maybe they're currently in a film overwrap, but a paper overwrap makes sense and it's feasible, and it allows us to be at the forefront of that new sustainable technology. So we're really excited about it. Absolutely, we would buy from BW Converting again, and we would recommend them to anyone. We actually do have a BW press in our Dominican Republic facility. They have loved it down there. It has performed beautifully, and they have received great support down there. We are receiving great support here in the States, and we would absolutely go to them again as we continue to grow.